There was a time when people used to brush their teeth with tree branches. This has changed over the centuries. Even 5,000 years ago, the Egyptians used to brush their teeth. Nowadays people brush their teeth with various improved varieties of paste. Many people brush their teeth twice in the morning and at night, but what will happen to you if you suddenly decide not to brush your teeth? We will share some information about this in today's video. Please watch the whole video patiently, and if you're new here, subscribe to our channel. By not brushing your teeth, food particles will accumulate in the corners of your teeth in a few hours, creating a good environment for bacteria. But in the first place, bacteria do not harm your teeth unless they come in contact with proteins or sugars, but after a full day, the bacteria will form a coating on the top of the teeth. This coating is called plaque. Usually when you forget to brush, you keep feeling this plaque on your own teeth. And this plaque basically helps the bacteria to stick to the teeth. As a result, these bacteria can create more plaque on the teeth. If this continues, it will have a serious effect on the teeth after 1 week and will cause bad breath. It is good to say that this plaque will continue to create a hard and yellow coating on your teeth. This stage will have a significant detrimental effect on your tooth enamel. The bacteria will break down the sugar to produce lactic acid. Enamel is the hard coating on the outside of the teeth. Once it's broken, you can't fix it anymore. After a month like this, your teeth will start to erupt. These pores will get bigger day by day, which will later attack the gums and destroy the immunity of the gums. This will cause pus to accumulate at the base of the gums, and there will be severe pain in your base. If you apply light pressure, blood will come out. In this way, after a whole year, the inner layer of your gums will be completely damaged. Your gums will no longer have the ability to hold the teeth. As a result, all the teeth will start to fall out one by one. The effect of this will not be limited to the teeth, but will start spreading all over the body. And it will continue to give birth to various diseases. So we have been able to understand through this video how important it is for us to brush regularly. If you have any help with this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it so that more videos like this can reach you very quickly. And if you want, you can let us know any of your opinions. That's all for today. Stay well, stay healthy, and finally, thanks for watching.